Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about order of operations. So order of operations is basically a set of rules that need to be followed in order to get the correct answer in a problem when they include lots of different operations or parentheses or exponents. So that's what the setup for this is to help you with that. So the saying for this, or the abbreviation mnemonic device, is PEMDAS, so P for parentheses. And a parentheses, remember, will look like this, you'll have something inside. An exponent would be, if I did 5 squared, my exponent is the 2, right? Multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, okay? So those are the symbols that you're gonna see for each of these items. One way to remember PEMDAS is please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And if we look at the beginning, we got P, E, M, D, A, S, PEMDAS at the beginning of each of those words. So that's just another. So for each set of problems, you're going to go through and check and say, does this problem have any parentheses? If it does, you're going to solve that first. Does it have any exponents? Then you'll solve those next. Then you're going to solve multiplication and division in order from left to right. Okay? Then you're going to solve addition from left to right. Okay? So that's sort of the breakdown of PEMDAS, but let's do it in practice. So this lesson, we are actually not going to include any parentheses or exponents. Okay? We always check to see if they're there, but in this lesson, we're just going to focus on multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So, for example, this problem, we don't have any parentheses, we don't have any exponents, so now we're on to multiplication and division. So with this, we're going to look and see, okay, we're going to check all of our problem to check for multiplication and division problems. So I have 2 multiplication problems here. I have the 7 times 6 and the 5 times 3. So we're going to solve these from left to right. Now here's the other thing. Many teachers call this the funnel. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to rewrite the problem as we reduce it, and you're going to see that it makes sort of this triangular funnel shape at the end. Some people don't like to actually draw the funnel because it gets in the way of their writing, but it does help with doing the problem. So I'm going to actually zoom this in so we can write a little bigger. Actually, maybe not all that way so that I can get the PEMDAS still in there. All right, so we have 7 times 6. That's the first thing we're going to reduce. So we have 42 plus 5 times 3. Okay, so notice we've reduced one item. It's getting simpler, right? We're simplifying our problem. We're still going to keep our 42. Now we're going to simplify and make this 5 times 3 into one number. So 5 times 3 is 15. Then our last thing, 42 plus 15, and it's perfectly okay to do side math. I love side math. So we're going to add this up off to the side. 57. So the answer to this problem is 57. Okay? Now, I'm going to do this wrong really quickly just to show you what happens. So do not do it this way, but this is the wrong way. I want to show you why PEMDAS is important. So if we had 7 times 6 plus 5 times 3, let's say we just do it from left to right, okay? So first thing we're going to do is let's do 7 times 6, which is 42, plus 5 times 3. So 42 plus 5, if we're doing this left to right. Now remember, again, this is wrong, but I'm trying to show you why this works. So 47 times 3. So now we have to come over here and do 47 times 3. So 21. 4 times 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14. So we get a really different number, 141. So by doing it just left to right, we're actually going to get the wrong answer. So this problem is wrong over here. Do not do it that way. You need to follow the PEMDAS steps so that we can get the right answer. Okay? Alrighty, so let's another one. So once again, we do not have any parentheses. Do we have any exponents? Nope. Okay, multiplication and division. So we are going to rewrite the stuff we don't need to simplify. 50 minus 6 times 5 is 30 plus 2. Now, we are done with multiplication and division. Done. On to addition and subtraction. 50 minus 30 is 20 plus 2. Our answer is 22. Okay, let's check out another one. I don't see any parentheses. I don't see any exponents. Let's focus on multiplication and division. So we're going to go left to right. So 4 times 9 is 36 minus 18 divided by 3. Next simplification, we're going to focus on division still, right? 36 minus 18 divided by 3 is 6. So 36, oh wait, I should say we're done with multiplication and division. Now we're on to add and subtract. 36 minus 6 is 30. So our answer to this problem is 30. All right, so you're going to use these PEMDAS steps to help you remember how to do these problems and which steps to take. I'm going to have another, this is a series of videos. So this was without parentheses and exponents. I'm going to have another one with parentheses. I'm going to have another one with exponents. And then I'm going to have a last one with nested parentheses. So check those out and I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.